Hello people, welcome back to Cuba Darren. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this 2x2 door. It's really simple and it only takes very little space, like over like this. That's all. Okay, so most of these blocks are actually for deco. The real mechanism is really small. Okay, and that's the very big version I tried to make. It is work, but definitely. Okay, so yeah, this one works just as well, but because it's just like 2 piston per sides, that's why it makes it so simple. Okay, so let's teach you how to make it. Okay, first you have to lay out your pistons, sticky pistons that is. Place two sticky pistons, one on top of another. Then you just place the blocks of your choice. Right now I'm using light green wool, but you can use any wool. Okay, right after that, after you place the piston, wait, knock out these blocks first. After you place these pistons, what you need to do is see 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. You put it on the 5th block, and that's your piston setup. That's all you need for your pistons. Just fill the rest in with just blocks of your choice. And now here comes the redstone. You place 1 block on top of the top piston, right beside the top piston like this. Just place a torch. As you can see, it lights up both, push out both, because this one is powering this one powering the block which is powering the piston. And we are just going to the other side. Okay, now just to cover, make it nicer. Okay. Whoa. Yeah, something like this. Okay. And from the top it will look something like that. Yeah. Okay, first now you need to place your pressure plates, which is gonna go over there. Which you don't have to place it first actually. You knock out the blocks like this. 2 blocks. That's where all the redstone should go. And basically you just do the exact same like a mirror image. You go here. Okay, then just place the 2 redstone there. This is where the redstone should be going. Okay, now now you need to deactivate this torch for these pistons to retract, so you can get over it. So now what we are gonna do is put redstone like this. Knock out that block. Basically just knock out every block here. Don't worry, I'll give you time to see later on. Okay, basically it's like that. Okay, I'll fly. Okay, it's over here. Now you just fill in the bottom lane with redstones. Thus, so you can. Okay, now let me show you. Basically, what you're doing now is done. What? Okay, basically you're done. Yep. Okay. Now, to fill this up, you can actually, if you put it there, it won't work because it only works that side, because this will cut off that power. So I recommend you putting like over here. Yes, like this. And down with the first side. Okay, now you do the mirror image of what you did on the first side to the second side. Knock out these blocks until you see the end of this slide, and then you just knock out one over here. This is where the torch is supposed to be at, which is over here. And now you just place redstone all the way through. Yeah, knock out that block until over that side, until the edge, and then knock out 1 block in. Remember, this is where the torch should be. If I knock out that block like this side will be off. So yeah, remember not to knock off that block like that. Just replace it with redstone dust. Cover the sides with like pillars. I wanted to use quartz, but no time. Okay, and basically you're done right now. This is the easiest piston door you can ever get in Minecraft. And right now you can just decorate it with like blocks of your choice. Make it look like home and beautiful and home and like go like this, home, and you're done. Thank you for watching Cubert Aaron. Check out my other videos. I'm Cubert Aaron, so I make cube videos. Check them out. And thank you all for watching. This has been Cubert.